Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. My dear students, today I am going to give you a big update, the breaking news, as just now the Karnataka State Board has released one important information. There is an important announcement regarding the Karnataka Board exams 2021. As you can see children, the Karnataka State Board has said that the class 12th exams, that is 2021, has postponed it. It has postponed, but first year PUC students has been promoted without any exam. The first PU students, they are not going to face any theory or practical exam. Directly they are going to get an admission to attend their second PUC classes. But the second PUC students need to wait for still more time to attend their theory exams. As you can see, once again the first PUC exams has got cancelled, but second PUC exams has postponed as India's second COVID wave worsens. This announcement was made by the Karnataka Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar on May 4th, 2021. He also appealed to the students to continue with their preparations without getting disheartened. Okay children, the second PU students need to start preparing yourself to attend the upcoming final board exam. So given the present worsening situation of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the Karnataka board has decided to cancel the class 11th examination. First year PUC students will be promoted on basis of which course is planned during the commencement of the next academic year. Second PUC Karnataka board exams need to be conducted actually from May 24th to June 6th, but now the exams will not be conducted on these dates. The new dates will be released soon. They will be going to announce soon. Both theory exam and practical exam, both the dates will be shortly announced by the education department. I hope this information is very important for you all for the upcoming board exam preparation. And yet regarding the class 10th board exams, there is no clarification is yet given, but still the students need to start their preparation and they should be followed with the same dates. The safety and well-being of our students and teaching faculty is of topmost priority and paramount importance. So this is said by our beloved Education Minister, the Karnataka Education Minister S. Suresh Kumar sir has announced this important update. The class 11th exams have got cancelled, that is first PUC board exams have got cancelled for this academic year 2021, but second PUC exams has postponed it. It has got postponed. Thank you. Keep watching. Still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and share this video as much as possible with your all friends, and click the like button if you have liked this class, and comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Thank you. Keep watching. Be safe. Take care. The admissions are opened in our academy, in our Evershine Coaching Center. In the below description we have given the details about the branches in Bangalore. So children, the interested students who wants to join for the regular coaching classes from class 6 to class 12, state board, CBSE board and ICSE board can contact me. In the below given description box we have given complete details. Okay, take care once again.